This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wang. Experience effortless living in this fully upgraded turnkey brick rancher in Edgemoor. With a new roof, windows, front door, kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, light fixtures, and paint, every inch of this home gleams with newness. The open floor plan seamlessly blends the new kitchen with the living area. A refinished oversized detached garage boasts new roof, drywall, floors, and an auto door, accompanied by a workshop. Clean crawl space with new vapor barrier. The fenced front and backyard, along with a freshly painted deck, offer outdoor havens. The den can be easily converted to the fourth bedroom/primary bedroom. Located near I-64, Fort Eustis, Naval bases, Colonial Williamsburg, and entertainment parks, this home harmonizes convenience with comfort. Don't miss out. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.